This is Heiko. Heiko uses simulation software to design a drivetrain for a future engine. He can already predict the resonance phenomena and vibration modes sufficiently well for the future vehicle. In the presentation, his results are difficult to understand. The management wants to know whether the improvements achieved by the modifications are noticeable and sufficient. With the SoundCar, Heiko reach everyone. He transfers his CAE simulation results to the PreSense simulator for the presentation. The SoundCar can make the simulation results tangible in an authentic driving situation. Depending on the load condition, the calculated vehicle interior noise, as well as the corresponding vibrations in the steering wheel and seat can be felt. Now the abstract predictions can be experienced firsthand by everyone. Effects and potentials can be recognized, assessed and discussed at an early stage of development. Decisions are thus easy to make. Works out good, for Heiko.